Nestled amidst the countryside near Nashik, a hidden path leads to an unexpected paradise. This private retreat, an architect's family haven, unfolds with a sense of discovery. It's a place where nature reigns, and the journey itself builds anticipation. The heart of the farmhouse is a tranquil lotus courtyard, bathed in dappled sunlight and serenity. Its simplicity is striking, a harmonious blend of rough stone, warm terracotta, and lush greenery. A calming pool extends the serenity outdoors, seamlessly merging with the surroundings. This haven has a fascinating origin story. The first phase was built around salvaged arches, preserved for over 2 decades, from an old mansion. These arches frame open spaces, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. Sustainable principles and local architecture are evident throughout. Water is harvested for reuse, and solar panels provide clean energy. The stone used for construction came from the very land itself. Once barren, the property has been transformed into a thriving forest with over 5,000 trees, creating a haven for wildlife. The farmhouse is a living organism, evolving with time. Over 2 decades, it's transitioned from a weekend getaway to a family home, embracing nature, trees, insects, and all that comes with it. Reclaimed elements from another dilapidated mansion were incorporated, maintaining the original design language while adding modern touches. The concept of reduce, recycle, reuse lies at the heart of this project. This farmhouse embodies the family's love for nature. Sky, earth, wind, and water are all celebrated here. It's a space for unwinding, entertaining, and embracing all seasons. Here's a look at the floor plans of the home. Ultimately, this farmhouse is a melting pot of ideologies, a testament to art, architecture, and life itself.